Welcome back. In this video, we will see how we can edit a wall profile in Revit. In most cases, when you place a straight wall, it has a rectangular profile when viewed in elevation, looking perpendicular to its length. If your design calls for a different shape of profile or for openings in the wall, you can edit the wall's elevation profile in a section view or an elevation view. In this demonstration, we will see how we can convert a rectangle profile of a wall into an arc shape. So let's switch to Revit. Here we have four walls of size 10,000 mm by 7,000 mm. Let's switch to 3D view. Let's suppose we want to change the shape of this particular wall from rectangular to an arc on the top. So for this, what we do is first select the wall, then go on the top, click on edit profile. The moment you click on edit profile, your solid model will convert into a rectangular sketch. For appropriate view, you can click on front view. Once in front view, you can select the top part and then delete. To draw the arc, you can go to arc mode, click on start and end, and here we can give the radius as 10,000. Once the sketch is completed, you can click finish. And this is how you can convert a rectangle profile to a arc profile. In case you want to go back to your previous profile, you can simply select the wall and then click on reset profile. In our second demonstration, we will see how we can add two rectangular openings in a wall. Let's suppose the size of these openings are 2 meter by 2 meter. So let's switch to Revit. So for this, first of all, we'll select the wall, click on edit profile, go to front view, and then we select rectangular option. Select rectangular and draw it in the left side. To set the dimension, I can select one of the side which is already in 2000 mm. For the other side, I can select here, it's again 2000 mm. Now to make a copy of this profile, I can make a window, and then from the modify, I can select copy, select the base point, and then you can copy it to the right side. Once done, you can click on finish and go to 3D view. So this is how you can create an opening in a wall profile. Thank you.